Hi guys, today I'm gonna be playing Adopt Me, and this is my first time at YouTube. So let's play. I might be doing a lot of videos, but yeah, I hope you guys subscribe, like, and turn the notifications on. So I'm gonna put my unicorn out. Let's go. So today we're gonna be trading my right monkey and see what we're gonna get. So yeah. Oh, I need to go to school, but maybe later. So let's go to exit. So I love Adopt Me in Roblox because Adopt Me is my favorite game and I always play this. So yeah. Let's go. Stay. Let's trade this guy. Looks suspicious. Oh, let's have a trade. Let's put in the right monkey. Oh, no, definitely not. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, that will never happen. Okay. So, let's trade this girl. She looks super cool. Oh, rock. Okay, accept it. No, why is he? Let's put it to my book. That's rideable, but that's ultra rare. That's rare. You can ride. I don't know about that. I'm gonna probably decline because I work hard for these. Okay. I know that's ultra rare though. Sorry. No, we have. Let's try to again, maybe to put in something else. Sorry. No, she would accept that, so I'm gonna decline it myself. And I really want to. Oh, that's a Mia ride, or maybe Flying Girl. I want it. Even though it's common. Would you accept? Anyways, let's just move on. Would anybody accept it? Okay. Should I accept that? Looks like that's here. I don't know about this. I already have these, so no. I already have these. Let's try this guy. No, she will not accept that. No, that's my unicorn. No, she will not accept that. She was just showing off. I'll accept that because that's legendary. No, she didn't lie. Who wants my monkey? Let's just say it in the chat. Okay, there. Now who wants my monkey? Nobody can have my princess in my first video. Is she showing off? Is she? I have no idea. I'll accept. No. Can I offer for unicorn? No. 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 Actually, okay. Let's see. Let's put in the unicorn. I don't know if that was the person. No, I don't want it because I already have. I don't have it, but I had that and I don't want it anymore. So sorry. Get mad. Okay, let's put in the monkey. No, not the train. I don't know. I'm really picky. That's the same person. Is he showing off? Aussie egg? I mean, I have really bad luck in Aussie eggs. Let's trade her. Trade. Let's do her then. Hi. A queen bee? Oh my god. No, that I'm about to trade her. Trade. Trading blue dog for legendaries. Pooh. I'll not do that. What's that? Ride flying elephant? Okay, the school is down. Guys, I just want to say, do you want a face review? Do you guys? Maybe. I don't know. No, I'll trade that person. No, because he will decline. Oh my god, a flamingo! I love flamingos. Don't be shy. Put some more. Oh no, that's legendary. To trade legendary. That's rare. I know that's legendary, guys, but decline. Sorry, because I work hard for these. Rare, common. Oh, I really want the ultra rare one, but is that worth it? I don't know. That's ultra rare. That's rare. I'm declining. He's like, oh, trading with someone else. I don't want to be in her. That's the same person. I don't even read the names. Okay. Oh my god, she wouldn't accept that. She wouldn't. She's just showing off. He's just showing off. Yeah, she declined. I wasn't gonna accept before she accepts. I mean, like, that's like kind of a scam, don't you think? Maybe? Okay. Frost, can I offer? Oh my god, I love frosts. Oh my god. Trade. Okay. Just put in the uni. Should I? That's a little bit cheating. I'm just trading this. Oh, she needs a lot of stuffs. The guys, I'm gonna. I don't know. Because nobody accepting it and I'm not accepting them. So I don't know, like. Gonna trade her. Come on, girly girl. Santa. Wits. Okay, whatever. Oh, I don't know what to do. No, I don't want to pick her up. Drop baby. Yeah. Oh, girl. This is my first video, ladies and gentlemen. Is that Luna? Yeah, that's Luna. I don't have a mom. Oh, yeah. He just wants a mom. I mean, guys, nobody's like accepting my trades or like, I don't know about this, or I'm declining it. So, I have no idea what they want. I don't know what to do. She has a unicorn. Twinkie, let's trade her. I'm trying to make a neon monkey. Accept it, please. No. Oh, my dream pet is a unicorn. I already have it, but I want to make a neon. A ginger cat? Guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here because nobody's like wants my traits. So yeah, sorry.